we'll guide you through how to export geometry nodes Blender. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Blender on your desktop. Then press Ctrl and O to open your previous project. Make sure you already have a project containing an object that uses geometry nodes. Locate the project file on your computer by browsing to the correct folder. Select the file with a single click, then open it and wait for the project to load completely. Before exporting, go to the Geometry Node Editor panel so you can modify the node setup. Press Shift and A to open the Add menu. Use the Search tool and type Realize Instances into the search field. Select the Realize Instances node from the results and add it to your node tree. Place the new node directly before the group output node so the instances become real geometry before export. After that, move to the File option at the top of the Blender window. Click it to expand the available menu options. Choose Export from the drop-down menu. You will see several different file formats available for exporting your project. Select the file type that best matches your intended workflow or the requirements of the software you plan to use next. Confirm any export settings if needed, then choose a save location where you can easily find the exported file later. Finally, click the Export button to complete the process successfully. Your geometry will now be converted into actual geometry instead of remaining as instances, making the exported model much more compatible with other applications that may not support procedural geometry nodes. Taking a moment to verify every step before exporting can prevent missing data, broken objects, or unexpected results in the final file. If everything looks correct, the export should finish without problems, and your chosen file format will be ready to import into another program, share with collaborators, archive for future use, or continue editing in a different workflow whenever necessary. This straightforward process ensures your geometry is properly prepared and exported successfully every time.